Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Our topic is that describe a time when you helped someone. You should say who you helped, how you helped them. Explain how this person reacted to your help. Explain how you feel after helping this person.
Answer. Introduction.
We all ask for assistance at a particular time in our lives. I have also sometimes been helped, and I also serve others. Helping people makes me happy and kind, and demonstrates the attitude towards everyone else.
Who you helped.
Here, I would like to describe a circumstance in which I helped a friend with his submission. When I was in 9th STD, my schoolmate Preet got hit by a car while returning from school, and he was prescribed strict bed rest. Since he had a fracture in his two hands for 21 days, his parents were concerned that he would not be able to complete his ongoing project.
How you helped, and explain how this person reacted to your help.
Due to their educational background in commerce, his parents were unable to complete his science project. Therefore, I began making his project in his presence, as he had a clear strategy for how the project, involving the usage of kinetic energy, would function. After over 2 weeks of cooperation, the project was eventually completed, and he was extremely pleased with my efforts. Fortunately, the project won the award for the most innovative project in the class, and both he and his parents thanked me for helping him during his difficult period.
Explain how you feel after helping this person.
By helping him, I got to see the smile on his face, which brought me great joy. I was so happy that it felt like I was flying on my wings.
Conclusion.
Initially, I had no idea that my actions in helping him would have a much further effect. I'm happy and grateful that I can help him in his important time. Well, my dear, please don't forget, subscribe to our channel.